1 in 3 men watch porn often. Every second, over 28,000 people watch porn online. This industry makes more money than Netflix, Amazon, and Twitter together. But they don't tell you the bad side. It can kill your motivation, ruin relationships, and change your brain like a drug. If you're stuck in this cycle, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple plan to quit porn, reset your brain, and take back control of your life. Watching porn releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, in your brain. Over time, you need more extreme content to feel the same pleasure. Your brain gets used to it and prefers fake stuff over real life. Real intimacy and connections don't satisfy you anymore. This can cause erectile dysfunction, anxiety, and depression. Your motivation and energy drop as you get stuck in a dopamine loop. But your brain can change. Just like it got wired for porn, it can be rewired for real life. With the right tools and mindset, you can break free from this addiction. It's time to take back control of your brain and your life. Every hour spent watching porn is an hour lost. You miss out on real experiences for a short high that leaves you empty. This hurts your relationships and creates distance from loved ones. It makes you feel alone and disconnected. The more you watch, the more your brain gets used to shallow, quick experiences. Your brain starts to crave these quick dopamine hits, but they are never enough. You end up feeling more stressed and unhappy. This chase for pleasure leaves you frustrated and unfulfilled. It's a hard cycle to break, but not impossible. If you continue, where will you be in 5 years? 10 years? The future looks bad if you don't change. Think about the impact on your mental health, relationships, and well-being. It's a high price for a short escape. It's time to wake up and see the reality. Recognize the damage this habit is causing. Accepting the problem is the first step to change. It's not easy, but it's necessary for your happiness. Seek help from friends, family, or professionals. You are not alone. Many have overcome this and become stronger. Realizing you have a problem is powerful. It opens the door to new possibilities and a better future. You can rebuild relationships, follow passions, and do activities that bring real joy. Imagine a life where you are present, connected, and thriving. It's possible. It's not too late to change. Every day is a new chance to make better choices. You have the power to change your life. Believe in yourself and take the first step. Decide today to reclaim your life and build a future you are proud of. Quitting a bad habit means finding a good one to replace it. It's not just about stopping, it's about doing something that makes you happy. When you stop a bad habit, you have room for something better. This is your chance to grow. Scrolling through social media or watching TV gives quick pleasure but doesn't make you happy. These activities might seem relaxing, but they often leave you feeling tired and empty. They are just distractions. Good habits include exercise, learning something new, and meditation. These activities make you feel good and improve your health. They help you feel stronger and happier. Exercise gives you energy and confidence. It makes you feel good and helps you handle stress. Regular exercise can make you feel more in control of your life. Learning a new skill keeps your mind sharp and makes you feel proud. Whether it's playing an instrument, learning a language, or a new hobby, these activities challenge your brain and make you feel good. Meditation helps you relax and focus. It teaches you to be present and reduces stress. Regular meditation can improve your emotional health and make you more aware. When you want to watch porn, do something else right away. Redirect your energy to a positive activity. This could be taking a walk, doing a quick workout, or enjoying a hobby. The key is to break the cycle and create new healthy habits. Go for a run, do push-ups, or call a friend. Physical activity and talking to others are great ways to distract yourself and feel better. They help you feel connected and supported. The more you replace bad habits with good ones, the faster your brain will change. Your brain can adapt and change. By choosing positive activities, you make new brain pathways and weaken the old ones. It's about making new brain pathways and connections. Every time you choose a good activity over a bad one, you train your brain to like the healthier option. This takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Replace the bad with the good. You can do this. Remember, every small step towards a healthy habit is a win. Celebrate your progress and keep going. You have the power to change your life for the better. You know when you watch porn, when you're alone, bored, or stressed. Remove those triggers. Install website blockers like Cold Turkey or BlockSite. These will block porn websites. Keep your phone out of your bedroom. Make your bedroom for sleep and relaxation. Remove other devices that tempt you. Out of sight, out of mind. Tell a friend or family member about your goal. Join a NoFap group online. Knowing you're not alone helps. Make it hard to relapse. Stay strong. Successful people don't have time for porn. They focus on their goals and ambitions, using their energy for productive activities. They chase their dreams and work hard to make them real. You need a bigger purpose, something that excites you. Start a business, pursue a passion, or set a challenging goal. Get in the best shape of your life. Push your physical limits and see what you can achieve. Or learn a high-income skill that can change your career and open new opportunities. Channel your energy into something you love. Whether it's art, music, cooking, or any other creative activity, let it drive you. I used to waste hours watching porn, feeling unproductive and stuck. But then I started this YouTube channel. I found something meaningful that gave me purpose. Now I don't even think about porn. Find your big goal, something that excites you and makes you want to get up every morning. When you have a purpose, your addiction will fade. You'll be too busy achieving your dreams to waste time. Shift your focus and use your energy for something that matters. You can achieve amazing things. You have the potential to be great and make a big impact. Don't let this addiction hold you back. Achieve your full potential and live a life you're proud of. You will have bad days. Some days cravings will be strong. You might relapse. But one mistake doesn't mean you failed. Think of it like climbing a mountain. If you fall, you don't stay down. You get up and start again. Quitting porn is a journey. There will be bumps in the road. Keep moving forward. If you relapse, get back on track the next day. Learn from what triggered the relapse. Remember why you started. Keep going. I believe in you. It's time to use what you've learned. Try a 7-day no porn challenge. Avoid your triggers. Use website blockers and remove private access points. Replace bad habits with good ones. Exercise, learn something new, meditate. Stay clean for 7 days and track your feelings. Comment below on your first step. Watch my next video on staying focused. Share this video with a friend who needs help.